Let's make this beautiful bracelet. Hey Craftsie, I have a special project. So, my Gran sent me this little box with these beads and things, and I'm currently just looking through it and sorting it out. So there's a lot of potential in this little box, and she didn't give me any specifics of what she wants. She just asked me to make something pretty for her that she can wear. Now, she does like long necklaces like this one, and she does like bracelets as well. Now, as I'm looking and sorting through this little box, I see that there's these beautiful pink reddish beads. I don't know. Guys, please tell me if you think this is pink or red, because I thought it was red, but it also looks kind of pink right now. I don't know. But as I'm sorting through this box, I'm getting a lot of inspiration, but definitely I'm going to use this red pink beads. Silver findings that I got here, and it's just very beautiful. There's a lot of potential in this little box. And when I saw this, I'm like, oh, it's so cute. Now, I ended up not using the silver findings. I felt like it was too much, so I rather said I'll use that maybe later on. And this as well, I'm not going to use it right now, but these beads are beautiful, but I'm just going to set it aside for now. But this looks like a very old necklace. These wires look a bit outdated, but anyways, this is the absolute beautiful beads. I am absolutely love. Like, look at this little sheer. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So we're definitely going to use these beads. Definitely. So I'm going to start with my crimp bead cover. If you want to know how to use them, here's a link up above so you can watch the full video. But I'm going to do a string bracelet for her. I'm going to do a 2-string bracelet, and this is also something I've done in the past, so please go have a look at it at the top. Now, these are my little tools, as always. I'm starting out with these little silver beads. I always like to add them to a project. And then we're going to have another silver finding. And then adding a black bead.
You can't catch me. Ah.
These beads are silly. So silly. This is going to be my pattern without the whole bracelet. So this looks absolutely cute so far. Okay, this is turning out so beautiful. I absolutely love the pattern. It looks so cute. And this is another tool that I absolutely love, is the jump ring opener. It makes my life so easy. Look at that, it was so easy. You just twist it and there it goes. You see it open, it's so cool. here's my Gran's beautiful red and black bracelet. What do you think?